the need to discover uncharted territories, traveling to unreachable places. It has driven the human race to start the most important quest in human history. It has been a challenging journey, with ups and downs, through the harshest of conditions, but out of the...
Okay, that's enough, Morgan. So, I'm Martin. Me and my friends love to travel, explore, and get to remote places where relaxing is hard most of the time. That's why we spent several months experimenting and perfecting the design of our new product until we got it just right. We believe it will completely change the way people relax worldwide. Let us introduce the Kaiser Original. Unlike those heavy, bulky fold-up chairs, the Kaiser is extremely comfortable. A snap to set up and use, and folds up in a small, lightweight bag so it's super easy to carry. Since the Kaiser is so strong and durable, you'll be able to relax at all sorts of places, anytime, anywhere, even rough terrain. It's a heck of a lot better than lugging around a bulky beanbag or laying on the hard ground with a thin layer of towel between you and the dirt. It's great for those long hiking trips, hanging out at the beach or the park, to sunbathe in your backyard, and of course, at your favorite outdoor festival. Also, if you enjoy meeting interesting new people, you'll love Kaiser because it's a magnetic conversation starter. Check out these awesome features that will truly make you feel like a king. The Kaiser is made with the strongest, super lightweight parachute fabric. It has a stretch pocket on the side, so you don't have to put your drink on the ground. And on the other side, there's a double pocket, so you can conveniently store all of your books, e-reader, and phone. We've also included a small loop to securely stake your Kaiser to the ground. And of course, it comes equipped with a bottle opener for those relaxing barbecues in the summertime when you're hanging out with your friends. Speaking of friends, did we mention that the Kaiser can hold up to 250 kilograms? Which is around 3 adults. And it even floats on water, so you can even use it to chill in the pool. But to make this project a reality, we need your help to fund our first production run. What are you waiting for? Be one of the first in your area to enjoy the relaxing comfort of the original, the one and only Kaiser.
Say hello to Revels, the world's first quick, custom-fit Bluetooth earphones. Guided by our app, you simply put the earphones in and let the gel-filled tips take the natural shape of your ears. By pressing the start button, you trigger the magic. The molding process activates, transforming the gel tips to their permanently hardened, customized shape. We've designed...
Wait, it's that easy?
Yes, it's that easy. We've designed Revels to fit you and your lifestyle. Our sports skins add an extra layer of protection and personality. But to truly deliver great earphones, the sound must be as perfect as the fit. And so we've partnered with Onkyo, pioneers in high-end audio technology. We're working with their team of acoustic engineers to deliver world-class audio and craft the ultimate listening experience. The custom fit provides enhanced passive noise isolation, allowing listeners to escape from their surroundings and enjoy every detail of their music at safer volumes. But for times when you don't want complete isolation, we've created the Revels Adjustable Soundscape. It's your very own volume control for the outside world. Revels have 8 hours of reliable playtime, and with the Revive battery pack, you'll get an additional 6 hours of comfortable use. And if ever you want to charge while listening, simply connect your earphones to the cable, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
The A from Acoustic Arts is a directional audio device offering high-fidelity sound. It emits a narrow beam of sound, similar to the light of a laser, and enables us to target a very specific zone. Our goal was to have the science of the A disappear behind a clean, functional design. Our technology was achieved through the work of many different specialists in acoustics, electronics, signal design, and industrial design. We defined the A's functionality and possible uses before considering any technical limits so that we could better adapt the science to the need. Our first patent was registered in April 2014. We released the A at International CES this year, won the Best Startup Prize at the Laval International Virtual Reality Conference, as well as winning at Santa Clara Augmented World. Our most recent installation was at the presidential dedication ceremony for 3 resistance fighters at the Pantheon in Paris. The A is a solution to the noise pollution that we all experience each and every day. It will allow you to listen to your music, videos, and other content in privacy without distracting or annoying those around you.
The A's development phase is finished. Now, we need your help to launch the first production series of the A speaker and bring you the most extraordinary audio experience. Join us today.
We spend a lot of time on our devices, particularly kids.
And we think there's a huge opportunity to be constructive in the way that we use that time.
Wouldn't it be great if tech could actually get us excited about learning?
So we've come up with something really awesome. A t-shirt.
But it's more than that.
We call it the Virtuality.
Point your mobile device at the t-shirt and unlock a portal into the body. Explore the anatomy, dive into the organs. On your own, with your friends, or with all of your friends.
We think learning should be as exciting as games are now, and this technology allows us all that opportunity. We're taking learning to the next level. You'll be able to interact with the anatomy as if it's right there in front of you.
That's the heart, those are the two lungs.
You can use your phone or tablet to look around inside the body. But combine your phone with a virtual reality headset and the experience becomes incredibly immersive. It's like being teleported inside the body. And for those of you that are new to VR, don't worry. We're going to provide a guide to get you up to speed.
It's a little like the Magic School Bus, except now you are actually there. And yeah, it's fun, but you really do learn more through interaction and experience. It becomes inspirational, like a trip to a museum.
We want to make it as accessible as possible so that everyone, everywhere, gets a chance to experience this kind of learning. We're going to make it available on existing mobile devices, including iOS, Android, mobile and tablets.
The app will be free, the t-shirt is priced no higher than a high quality t-shirt, and we all need tees, right?